Hi guys, my name is Praveen Sahu and today I start new series in JavaScript ESC. So I follow one tutorial and I explain line by line what is the document saying. For example, I follow W3 school documentation and I explain what is the meaning of this line. Uh, this what this document say. So let's go in the documentation. So yeah, so ES6, JavaScript ES6. So first line is schema script 2000 was the second major revision to JavaScript. Okay. Schema script 2015 is also now as ES6 and schema script 6. Okay. This chapter describes the most important feature of ES6. So this is the most important feature of our ES6. So our feature is plate, const, arrow function, for of, map, set, classes, promises, symbol, default parameters, function, ref, string, start with, end with, array.form, array.keys, array find index, new make methods, and new number properties, new number methods, global methods, object entries, JavaScript modules. So today our topic is let keyword. So today I explain let keyword. Okay. So go to documentation. So what it say? So the let keyword was introduced in ESC 2015. Okay. So it is coming 2015. Variable defined with let cannot be redeclared. Let's check in the practical. Variable defined with let must be declared before use. Okay. Variable defined with let have block scope. So you know let and cost is block scope. Okay. So this is the first point. Cannot be redeclared. Variable defined with let cannot be redeclared. You cannot automatically redeclare a variable with let. You cannot do this. For example, this is the example. Let's check it is right and wrong. So I go to our VS Code and I simply create one JS file, let.js, and inside this I simply open my terminal, and inside terminal I check the what is the output. So it give me syntax error, AC is not defined declared. Let's check it is right and wrong. So git base. Power set. Okay. So node, you see, we do not need to write run this code. It is automatically give my VS Code view. Cannot redeclare block scope variable is X. Cannot redeclare block scope variable is because we are used late. If I write here Y, it is fine. Okay. If I write var here and here, if I use var, so var is a global scope, so it is a totally fine. So first value of X is don't do, and after we are use var, so our answer is 0. So not so we are not print this. So load console.log X. So right now our answer is 0. No, no, no. I do not this. Okay. So node let.js. So I delete this. Okay. Yeah. So node let.js. You see our answer is 0 in war, but we are use let, so it give me error. Cannot redeclare block scope variable. So this is the mean of redeclare. Okay. So it gives me syntax error. Case is already been declared. Okay. If I console this, so you see it give me error. Case is already been declared. Same as documentation. Okay. Let's check what is the next point of our documentation. With var you can. So yeah, we are already checked this. Block scope. Before ESC's 2015, JavaScript had only global scope and function scope. ESC's introduced two important new JavaScript keywords, let and post. Okay, this keyword provide block scope in JavaScript. Variable declared inside block cannot be accessed from outside the block. So for example, this I take one block here. So you see, uh, I delete this. So I delete this. So if you see, I created one block here. So inside block, we are access console.log x. I write block scope. But about after this, if I print console.log, it's outside this block. It give me is cannot be used here. We are not use is here because it is only scope of our variable. Let's check what is the output here. So I come here and I simply write the our terminal. Here I clear this and node let.js block scope. You see, in block it is print block scope, but after that is it is give me s is not defined because s is not defined here. It is give me error. But if I write here let is equals to 5, so it is perfectly fine. So this scope is different and this scope is different. So this is a block scope, so that's why it is print 2 and block scope, and this console print this 5. Let's check what is the output. Mod let.js. So you see it is perfectly fine 2 and 5. So yeah, so this is the scope in this. And if you use var here and I remove this. So right now let.js, you see in var it is a not a block scope, it is a global scope. That's why here s is a 2 and here s is a 2, so that's why it is print 2 and block scope, and above s it is a global scope, so that's why it is print 2. Okay, this is the mean of our documentation. Let's check what is the next point. Variable declared with var keyword are not have block scope. We already see this point. So if you write var s equals to 2 here, s can be used here. Okay. Redeclare variable. Redeclaring a variable using var keyword can impose problems. Redeclaring a variable inside a block will also redeclare the variable outside the block. So let's see this example. So I take this example here and here. So here is our var h is equals to 10. Yeah, because we have two parts, memory creation part and storage execution part. So in memory creation part, in the all the variable is undefined. Okay, so this is a global scope. So 10 goes in here. So here s is a 10. Okay, and in below the scope h is equals to 2. So in h it is equal to 2 and this is a word. So that's why this s new value is 2. And if I print this, it's it is print me node let.js 2. It is print me 2, but in outside our value is 10. So this is the drawback of our global scope where if I use let, so it is work for 5 and let h equals to 2 and h is equals to 10, and here we are use let, and inside this I print this console. So this is our block, and this is our global. So node. So now it is perfectly fine. 2. So inside is 4. This is 2. AC is 2. And outside AC is 10. 2 and 10. So mostly, guys, please use late endpoint and avoid war, because this is the drawback of late. Sorry, war. And this is the browser support: Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, Opera. And this is the again example. This is the war example, and it is allowed in war, but if you use late, it is not allowed. And if you use late s equals to 2 is allowed, but after late s again same variable is not allowed. Also in block is same. If you write late s equals to 2 is allowed, but if after that if you use war, it is not allowed. So yeah, this is the example. Yeah, and here is the hosting. So yeah, late is also is hosted and it is go in the top, but it give you error, and it is give difference error, and uh, your variable throw in the temporal dead zone. So that's why it is give error. So in var it is okay use, but in let it is not good. It is not good. So always try to declare your variable top of the thread. So this is, guys, this is our late topic. Next and tomorrow what? So this is our late topic. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and share. And also I provide this tutorial link in my link. So yeah, thank you very much. So I stop here.